Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Chinese style sticky orange ribs. So let's start cooking. Now we're going to do a simple marinade on our ribs. I have with me over here 800 grams of prime ribs. See how beautiful and meaty this is? This is wonderful. Add in 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of young ginger juice derived from grating of young ginger and squeezing them out. Pour it in, and a little bit of white pepper. If you do not have white pepper, you can replace it with black pepper, no problem at all. Now all we have to do is just mix this up well, let the pork ribs absorb the soy sauce, the oyster sauce, as well as the ginger juice. This will be very flavorful. Mix them until there's no more liquid, like this. Alright, keep mixing them up. Alright, something like this will be good. So once this is done, we'll just leave this in the fridge and marinate this for an hour. Prior to cooking, we'll bring this out from the refrigerator and rest it at room temperature for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Before we cook this, I'll see you back in a while. Now we'll put the dish together. Heat up your wok. For this dish, it's advisable not to use a non-scratch pan or wok itself because the bones from the ribs might scratch the surface. So I'm using a cast iron wok right now. We need to caramelize some sugar. 30 grams of rock sugar. Put it in. With 30 milliliters of water. Add in a little bit of oil. I'm using medium-low heat, so please do the same. We want to melt the sugar as well as to get a very beautiful caramelized color, because we want to add some color to our ribs. I just move this around. Now melted sugar is very high heat, so be very careful when you do this. This will take a while. Normally for this dish, chef or cook will like to dip the ribs in corn flour and then deep fry it until it's golden brown and cook the sauce and coat it all over the ribs. But we are trying to do an easy method over here. Take a little bit more time, but at least cleaning up the kitchen is so much easier. Now if you don't have rock sugar, you can use plain cane sugar, no problem at all. Slowly fry the sugar. I'll show you exactly how the color should look like in a while. We are almost there. Right, very beautiful dark color. This is something that we want. So something like this will be good, right? One more time. Look at how beautiful the color is. Now carefully add in our ribs. Be very careful when you do this. This is extremely hot. Move the ribs around. Make sure they are coated well. Now we're adding our orange juice. 500 milliliters of orange juice. Add them all in. You need to cover the ribs with liquid, so just top up with water, it's fine. Right, now just give it a light stir first. Now we turn the heat to medium or medium high. Get this to a boiling point. When the sauce starts to boil, we're adding 1 tablespoon of grated young ginger. Ginger with orange and pork. Very good combination. Stir it for a little bit. Now we'll put the lid on. Turn the heat down to medium-low and we'll slowly braise this for approximately 40 to 45 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 45 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Oh, smells fantastic. Now all we have to do is to reduce the sauce so that it will be more concentrated. We'll now turn the heat up to high and reduce the sauce until it's not too much, just enough to coat the ribs. The ribs are very tender now. Just let it boil for a couple of minutes. We'll give this a taste when we have reduced the sauce. I'll see you back in a while when they're almost done. I've reduced the sauce until it's very thick like this. I did not even put in any cornstarch solution. Just mix them up well. Now just splash in about 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Give it a good toss. Once they're almost done, we'll just add in a few slices of orange just for the added color and that additional fragrance. Alright, time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. It has a very nice orange fragrance. Let's give this a taste. Super tender. It has a very nice orangey taste to it. I love how the sauce is actually sticking onto the ribs and it's super, super tender. See? This is really good. This is a potential rice killer. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. Oh. Very nice.